Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. I was working on a different video and I stumbled across this finished project video in the wrong folder, one of the wrong folders, and I looked and it's never been posted. So I figured I'm going to just tweak it just a little and go ahead and post it. It's a short video, but this was when we lived on a 15-acre farm here in Illinois. It was a little double wide tucked way back in the woods. And there is part 1 and 2 to this that I'll link in the description, but I never posted this one, the completion. So let's take a look at it. This was 6 years ago, I think, in 2015. And I hope you get some fresh air and enjoy a little bit of tractor work. Thanks. Alright, this is going to be the final stage of the redneck retaining wall. I put 4 loads of 3-inch down above all the clay from that hillside over there. Now we're adding the 3/4 inch minus. I forgot the exact name. It's something minus. It's got the powder dust in it to pack it down. And then it should be complete.